So Supabase has been created, this project, and you can see these details. You can see my public key and my secret key, which is hidden, as well as the URL and JWT. So this project I will delete this right after this video so that these keys won't be exposed. So okay, so let's set up the database schema. So from the UI, the instruction is to go to the SQL section, click on User Management Starter, and click on Run. So I'm going to go to the SQL editor. We need to find User Management, which is here, and just click on it. And we would like to click on Run to execute your query. So where's Run? It's over here. And it has ran and success, no rows returned. So wonderful.